Okay, let us go on with the assembling of the GOtv antenna, GOcoder3 antenna, the latest model so far. So as you can see, this is the cable that is inside it, RG6 coaxial cable. F connector has been already fixed by the company at the both ends, so we're going to use it. This is the fixing clips with butterfly screw. This is the V-shaped aluminium dipoles with butterfly clips attached at each of them. There are 4 in number. So this is the antenna itself. As you can see, is packed together. So you will just need to open it this way. Once you open it that way, you press it. As you can see, you just need to press it. You see, it has clipped to this red, the red side. Remaining this green side, you just fix it, press it as well. So it has clipped to the normal position now. So this antenna is now stretched up. So we can now attach the 4 V-shaped aluminium dipoles. First of all, you carry it inside the hole, you tighten it up. So this one is firm now, it's okay. So we turn to the other one, you tighten it up. It's also tightened up. See, it's very firm, very firm. Now take the third one, V-shaped aluminium dipoles. You tighten it up. Make sure you fix it so that it will be firm, it will be very strong. Now remaining the last one, you now tighten it up as well. So this is how to assemble a GOantenna or antenna of a GOtv decoder. So this antenna is well assembled now. Okay, so this is the wire, RG6 coaxial cable. This is the white wire, and we have also the black RG6 coaxial cable. This has already been provided by the company. So what you are going to do is to carry one of the ends. This end will go straight into the yellow side, into this place. That is where we are tightening it up. So as you can see, it's well tightened up. Then we now use this. You will use the fixing clip, just remove everything. So you are going to put it this way, put it that way, take another one, cover it up, use the butterfly screw to screw it up. So this is how to assemble the antenna. As you can see how I did it, the pole will now enter right here. As you can see, this is the pole. I'll just fix it. So you now screw it up. So you tighten everything up. As you can see, it's well fixed. While the wire, you just run the wire straight down. Then you need to use solotape to guide it. So as you can see, I've taped it. So this solotape helps it to hold the wire in good position. So this is the proper way of assembling the antenna. Remember what I told you? The red side has to be upside in up position, while the green side has to be down. It's not a must that if you do not have meter, you cannot install GOtv. No. If you have meter, you can install GOtv, and also if you don't have meter, you can also install GOtv. The only thing is you monitor the signal level through the installation process. When you are doing the installation, you will monitor the signal level. You will be seeing everything. So you have the opportunity of turning your antenna right round until the highest signal so far is achieved. Once you have the highest signal so far, your GOtv channels will just be playing normally without any problem. So this is how to assemble the GOtv antenna properly before going outside to mount it. So if you like this video, try to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that as we are releasing more videos, you'll be getting the notification. So I'll go outside and mount it and come inside for the rest installation concerning the GOtv. So thank you.